can see, the leather is cut with precision here before moving to the automated assembly line. We take great pride in the craftsmanship.
You get 2 millimeter exactly.
Okay, mark it for the satchels.
See this imperfection?
Yes, that won't pass grade 1. I'll mark it now.
Okay, noted. We can move on.
We have 3 more pallets coming right now. Are you clear for the afternoon run?
Yes, ma'am. We should be loaded in 10 minutes.
To our plan. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how leather shoes are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Tu bustan sigia bidang hai. Yehuda tang jodo ngai torosne. Yasebi teacher bosta rengo me janki has.